Hey guys, how we all doing today? We have a B7K 747 tube tester here that I just got done calibrating. All the internal parts, switches, components, everything was gone through and looked at. Every socket was tested and working. Every switch was tested. Every knob, every button. All the internal components were checked. If they weren't in spec or close to being out of spec, they were replaced. All electrolytic caps were replaced, and a full and thorough alignment was done at 121 volts. So what we have here is, I'm just going to show you, we have a 6JS6 tube. Came out of a Yaesu that I had. This one is actually bad. I don't know if you can read it on the side of the tube there. It does say NG on there, so I just want to show you the difference. This is not stock. I made this for it. Didn't come with a stock one, but here we'll go over to our, very simple to do. If you look at the 6JS6, we're gonna have the heater on 6, the sensitivity 58, socket number 21, none of the switches, so these are all going to be brought down to nothing. And then we are going to have, it's going to tell you test button 1. Okay, so then you're going to come over to here. You're going to make sure you're on your heater 6. We are on 58, and none of your controls are selected, and we are in socket 21. Now we're going to come over, and this has been sitting in here for just a couple minutes. We're going to do a short test. And we're looking at this light right here, so there is no shorts. Grid emission test is only going to be in that little green spot right there. If it goes out into that black area, it's no good. So hold it for a little bit. Grid emissions on this. Oh, show you my finger. Grid emissions good. Test 1, that's the one it said to do. You don't do test 2 on this tube. And you'll see we have a bad tube. You could also do a life test on it. There is a button here. You just push that in and hold it, and it'll tell you how fast it's even gonna go below, which is pretty bad. So now what we'll do is we'll take this one off, and I have a good one to show you. There's one. I have a good one to show you here. Put that in there. Sorry about these camera angles. I don't have a professional camera. I use my phone. I just try to give you as much info as I can when I sell something, so you can see it works. You can see the tube. I'll turn this light off. You see the tube's glowing. It's warming up. Again, same tube, same settings. 6 on the heater and 58 on sensitivity. We'll test the shorts. No, no light. Shorts are good. Grid emission. Grid emission's good, and we'll test it. Here we go. You hold it in for a little bit. Tube's still kind of warming up. And then we can again click our life test. And we'll see we still got a good tube here. So, gentlemen, that is it. Like I said, this thing has been thoroughly gone through. It does have some scratches on it. I mean, it's not in perfect condition. You can tell somebody used it. I cleaned everything up. All of the tube sockets were cleaned, and they were oiled with deoxit. All of the slides and the contactors were cleaned and checked. I put a lot of time into this tester, getting it just right. So this is what you're getting, guys. Exactly what you see. Comes with the original tube data. It has the instruction book in here, the manual. Sorry about my camera angle again. It's pretty bad, but that's it, guys. So if you're looking for a B7K 747, this one is definitely 100% ready to go and calibrated. God bless. Have a safe day.